ERP label information, what you need to know. There are two ways to complete the package fiche and labels for ERP. Using Baxi's online ERP calculator tool, or manually using the blank fiche in the back of the user guide that came with the boiler. Do not complete the package fiche and package label if you are only installing a new boiler or a new boiler and cylinder. Only complete the package fiche and labels if you are fitting a boiler with new temperature controls, a boiler fitted in conjunction with solar panels, a boiler fitted in conjunction with ground or air source heat pumps. The ERP performance information for the boiler, known as the product fiche, can be found in the user guide. Items such as heating controls do not come with an ERP product label. You should find the information you need in the instructions or on the box, or you could look on the manufacturer's website. If you can't find the ERP information you need, then you could call the manufacturer. For more information on ERP, visit our website, attend one of our training courses, or call our technical experts.